What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do another video today. This one was sent by Bronx Lock Picker. Just did a package opening last night from him. This one is pinned by Steel Pinnings. Yeah. There it is. I don't know if it'll show up. There we go. You can see the skull and crossbones and the smiley face. So we're gonna stick a pick in this thing and see what it has for us today. Alright, with Quickset I use bottom of the keyway, and I'm just going to use a short hook by Peterson. That was a little bit from 3, 1, back again. Not getting anything from this thing. Let's go the other way. Of course, that's not going to work the other way. Alright, we're going with top of the keyway. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Gotta click out of 1. 5. 3, 2, 1. Nope, got nothing. Let's got a little bit more from 5. Got a little counter on 4. Yeah, that was an overset. And that was another overset. I'm gonna have to switch to something deeper. Click out of 5. Got a little counter on 3 and a click. Another click. Feel set. And my vise just came loose. That's what you get for resting your hand on the handle of the vise. Let's hope I didn't lose anything too bad. And one gave me some counter and a click. Yeah, I think I lost it all there. 1. 4, 3, gave a click, couple clicks off of 2, nothing off of 1. click off of 4, click off of 5, I got some counter on number 1, and we're open. I was almost out of frame there. Still getting used to the new setup, folks. Alright. Set that down. And then this awesome clip remover Bronx lock picker made me. I'm going to keep that on there so I never forget who it's from. See if I can keep from locking it up. That's too easy to get off. Let's see. Shim time. It's almost time to give it up and pull a new shim out. These have seen better days. Alright. T-pins are up. Yep, we're still in frame. Alright. And all the pins are in. Well, maybe it'll show up. There it is. All of them are in there. And try not to unwrap the key. Got it mummied, so I'm sending it back out mummied. 1 is serrated, 2 is standard, 3 is serrated, 4 is standard, and 5 is serrated. And nothing done to the plug. There's no T-pins in there, or else he would have filled the construction holes. Alright, and pinning tweezers. Number 1 is a very long serrated. Well, it's got a serration on it and a spool. Now these springs will be coming out. Number 2 looks like a commercial spool. So far, steel in 1, and then 2 short brass, or no, copper springs in 3 and 4. Very nice spool in 5. And then a nice step spool in 4. And let's see what's done up top. and there's been nothing done up top. So let's show you what we had in Steel Pinnings lock. And see, was this one named? It did not even look. No, just pinned by Steel Pinnings. Let's see here. Will it focus? No, we're doing good tonight. Got a real interesting one in number 1. A narrow spool with a wide serration on it. Number 2 is a commercial spool. Number 3, I like number 3. That one, I might have to steal that design, Steel Pinnings. Got the little 2 really wide serrations, almost spools. Then number 4 is that one's a stepped spool, is what it looks like. And number 5 is that really long spool. And then you got a couple serrated pins on bottom. And then view it from the side. Awesome work, Steel Pinnings. Good luck, put up a good fight. Definitely, if you haven't heard of Steel Pinnings, go check them out. Don't forget, hit me up on the Discord server. Still trying to get people to come over, help me out, help me get some people on there, get it active. Probably gonna be putting some locks up on there for giveaways or things like that. I've got some locks I want to get rid of. I've got tons of these American 5200s on my hands, and I want to get rid of some of them. I'll be putting them up on there. I've got a couple other locks I might throw on there to get rid of. Definitely hit me up on there. Check out Steel Pinnings if you haven't seen him. Check out Bronx Lock Picker, which sent the lock to me. And until next time, catch y'all later.